Is your Boost Mobile SIM card not working? Don't worry, you can often fix it yourself. First, power off your phone. Then, use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to carefully remove the SIM card tray. Take out the SIM card tray and SIM. Gently wipe the SIM card to remove any dust or debris. Reinsert the SIM card securely. Power your phone back on. This reseating process solves about half of SIM card issues by ensuring a solid connection. If reseating didn't work, try activating your SIM. Open the Boost Mobile app or go to their website. Follow the prompts to activate your SIM card. This links the SIM to your account. Activation requires a stable internet connection and may take 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure your plan is active and there are no account errors. If reseating and activating your Boost Mobile SIM card hasn't fixed the issue, it's time for SIM swapping as a last resort. Contact Boost Mobile customer support online, through the app, or at a store to request a replacement SIM card. Replacement SIMs are usually free for prepaid customers, but may cost up to $10 otherwise. Once you receive the new SIM card, activate it through the Boost Mobile app or website, following the provided instructions. A SIM swap is often necessary if the original SIM card is damaged or defective. With increasing eSIM adoption, consider switching to eSIM if your phone supports it. It eliminates the need for a physical card. Remember to back up all of your data before performing a SIM swap.